All right, the day has begun. We have started our open house customer appreciation community building event Sunday, July 31st. That's going to extend into Monday, August 1st. So today on Sunday, we've got classes starting at 12 on the hour, every hour, different presentations from a number of folks within the community. They're free to attend. You can come on down in person, you can join online. Love to see you there. Plus, we've got giveaways. We have a free gift for the first 75 people through the door today, tomorrow, and orders online. It is, I should let you know what it is. It's called a mock orange syrup. So this is something that I had specially prepared from the mock orange tree in my yard. And what I did was I infused the mock orange flowers into honey, did a tincture, and did a hydrosol, and brought all three of those together into this wonderful, delicious syrup that you can enjoy by the drop. You can add to sparkling water, and it has a very kind of, I'm describing it as like internal aromatherapy. It's very kind of calming, nurturing, and super floral. It's delicious. So hopefully you can get your hands on one of those and just come on by. So Sunday, Monday, love to see you, and hope you're having a great day.